Ready? Start. Sir, I do not want to give any examples, but I should like to say a word about the agricultural program before I come to close my remarks. Stop. Now, it has been said here that while stress has been laid on the agricultural program both in the community development and national extension service blocks, yet these blocks are suffering from shortage both of seeds and fertilizers. Stop. Now, sir, it is surprising that though it is realized in theory that our plans can succeed only in proportion as our agricultural program succeeds, an all out effort has not been made to provide the blocks with the means necessary for increasing the yield of agriculture, which are so indispensable for agricultural development. Stop. Now, sir, if we fail even in these blocks, where else can we hope to succeed? Question mark. We have our officers here who are charged with the task of looking after certain areas, and yet the result is disappointing. Stop. It may be said, sir, that government for no fault of its own is unable to supply these things in adequate quantities. Stop. Then I suggest, sir, that the work should be concentrated in smaller areas so that it may yield such results as to make people living in other areas offer their help for their development. Para. Sir, I shall make no quotations because I want to close my remarks very soon. Stop. But I should like to refer to the conclusions which have been stated in chapter 6 of the report before us. Stop. I said just now, sir, that if there is shortage of seeds and fertilizers, then it is obvious that for achieving the best results, the work should be concentrated in smaller areas. Stop. The report says much the same thing. Stop. It says that the study shows that the average block is 25% larger than the program's norm in terms of population, and that the large blocks do not have proportionately larger personnel and finance. Stop. It is on the whole having shorter blocks. Stop. But where the blocks have to be larger in order to fit in with the present administrative divisions, the committee recommends that the block personnel and finance should be proportionately increased in such cases. Stop. Again, sir, to guard against wastage of effort, the report recommends that the blocks should be increased in number only as the supply of personnel who could work in these blocks increases. Stop.